Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all having a fabulous day. As you can probably tell from the sound of my voice, I've still got a bit of the cold, so hopefully it's going to clear up soon. So guys, this is kind of like a mini haul because I have 3 orders. I have my 2 PR packs and my Simply Gilded box, and I decided I might as well, any Happy Mail, I'm just going to put in like one video. I'm still waiting on 3 PR orders. I think all my PR orders have been dispatched, and I've got 1 or 2 orders as well, but I'll probably film that in a separate video just because it's just been one disaster after another. I think I did mention in a previous video that one of the shops had an entire bag of mail go missing, and yeah. So I'll start with Belles Paperie because that one's already open, and this was the February freebie, and I do feel so guilty because I've had this and I've been waiting for all my other Happy Mail, but it just hasn't come, so here we are. But it's an absolute beautiful floral and rose gold foiling, and Laura does the most beautiful stickers. I really hope you can see that foil. And then, what did I pick up? So, these, I absolutely love picking up these kind of things for my PP weeks. Whoops. So, I think this is in the dusk colourway, and it's a grey purple colour, but very light. So we've got some date covers, some little bow dividers. Let me just quickly show you because these are so, not dividers, guys, honestly. Some like little pretty scallop boxes, hopefully you can kind of see. And then we've got some confetti headers, and Laura's stickers, I just love them so much. I'm always looking on the website. And then I picked up my Easter kit. I remember when she released this last year, and I did get it in the gold, sorry guys, the gold foil colourway. But you can choose your own foil, and she has a great variety actually of foil colours. But yeah, as I was saying, I remember she released this last year and I really wanted it, but I'd already brought my Easter kit and I wasn't going to use 2 Easter kits. So just look at them boxes. This is the kit, and you get so many stickers, and I love these plain little headers. I love actually bunching them together and like doing a script or something on them. And oh guys, just look, and that rabbit, I want that rabbit. She just, honestly, the thought that goes into these kits. And then these are extras. They do come with the kit, like you don't buy them separately, or do you? I don't think you do. We've got a big full box, a double is it? And I love it. And there goes my phone. And then the headers, which I cannot wait to use this kit. Roll on Easter, chocolate and cute stickers. I'm going to silence that, sorry guys. I think I've silenced it, we'll see. And then my order from Lilly Designs. Now, I've been PRing for Leah now for quite some time. I'm going to have a look because I know that next month I've been doing PR for Wendy Prints for a year. So, how fast did that go? It's just so scary in a way. So I'm going to show you the freebie, and it's really cute. Obviously it's St. Patrick's Day and it says Happy St. Patrick's Day, and this was the Feb freebie. But I love these little rainbow headers. You get 6 of them. But like, what I might possibly do is, if I was to use these headers, because I do want to do a rainbow spread for Pride Week. So I may skip out on one of the yellow or the orange and then just do a weekend banner or something in my PP weeks. So yeah, I love that and I really want to use it. Now, I'm going to save the best till last because that's what I want to do. And this kit, I love the florals, they're beautiful. And I thought this is lovely for spring. And it says, where flowers, sorry guys, I'm stuttering all over the place today. It says, where flowers bloom, so does hope. And I love that quote. And as you can see, you get a bunch of stickers. And I love this. So the washi now, I don't know whether it's on all kits or just this one in particular. I'll have to have a look actually. But there's like 2 types of washi. And like it's Erin Condren size, and it's, but you also get the bit for the sidebar too, which I love. So like this kit I will use in my EC and my PP weeks. So this is great for me because I can use the washi for date covers, I can use washi, you know, like there's a lot you can do with it. But yeah, and there's so many stickers, guys. I'm so lucky to PR for these amazing shops. So yeah, I just love that. I saw it and I was like, yeah, that's me. Right, so the foil fix, and this is February's foil fix. So you get the date dots, sorry, and this is all on clear paper, and it's in this gorgeous mint, and that's why I got this kit, because I'm thinking I'm going to use it because there are bits of mint. There's some mint there, some mint here, there, and I just thought it'll look really nice. So we get some date dots, as you can see, date covers, and I love that she gives you 2 fonts too. And then we get some little, some full box overlays, and then some quotes and stuff. So you get hello spring, spring in the air, and another hello spring, and I love that one. And then you get this lovely like little wreath, is it? And then we get the icons, and guys, you all know I'm loving my icons at the moment. So they will definitely come in handy. And now these I love. They're all little individual. Let's see. I probably won't get these back on, but like, I don't know if you can see, like, they're just so tiny and so pretty. So I'm just going to stick them on something because I'm not going to have the patience to put them back. And like, if you see how many you get, I'm not angry that, you know. And then we get some little bow header overlays, which I love because I would use these to overlay headers or use them as dividers. Like, I've got plans for them. And then again, you get 2, I think, yeah, I don't think we got 2 in last month's. But 2 foil washi overlays. Guys, honestly, my stutter is really bad today, so I do apologise. But yeah, so we get like the bows, and then like I call it foil fete, and they are gorgeous. So really, you could probably get 2-3 spreads using them, easy. Right, and now this is my Simply Gilded box. And I'm super excited, and it's called Masterpiece. Now, when she did the sneaks for these, I'm not even gonna lie, I was kind of like meh. But I've saw pictures and stuff, and I think because it's silver, and I am a silver fan, but at the minute I've been really loving gold. So I was kind of like, you know, we'll see. I was actually considering cancelling my subscription box. Not because of this box, just because, you know, I probably have enough washi to last me like 2 lifetimes. But I quit smoking like 18 months ago, and this is my reward, if you like. Considering how much I used to spend on cigarettes compared to what I spend on this is a massive saving, and I get something pretty to keep. So anyway, as you can see, this is the pouch, and I'm really considering, I'm considering doing it with my smaller pouch as well, that's like this, is unstitching just this bit here and trying to make it into a planner. So I don't know how that will go, and I don't know whether I'll do it. Apparently someone's heart has embossed that a little bit, but hopefully that will come out. So just a full warning, I will reveal the mystery item, but I will give you plenty of notice, just so you know, in case you don't want to see. This is the card that we get, and I usually keep these and slice them and put washi samples on them, like when I'm giving samples away or whatever. Right, so I'm just gonna... The only thing I don't like in this box is the journal card. And, I mean, I've got a phobia of fish, but that's not even why. It's just that this box is so beautiful, and then this is gold foil. And I did watch the reveal, and she said that, you know, she'd ordered it in the wrong foil colourway or something, which is fine, but it's just a little bit disappointing to me. But, you know, I suppose you can't please everyone. So, let's see. How do I want to do this? Let's do the pens first. So, we get... Is this a jelly roll? Yeah. Have I got any paper? Yes. So, I want to see how this writes. Yeah, so hopefully you can see that it's just a plain silver. And it's got a little bit of sparkle in there. And I do like the jelly roll pens, actually. So I'll probably use that. Now these pens I love and I collect them. It's just, I think it's a 0.5mm gel pen, but I just love the ombre and the colours. I love the colours, guys. But you know, looking at it, like silver is it's perfection for these colours. So you know what? Let's move this. Now this, I've started junk journaling. I'm not sure, because I'm going to do a little video. I'm not sure which is going to go up first, this or my junk journal, but this will probably end up going in there. But it's just a pen sleeve, and you know, it does feel quite nice actually. If it was in a nice pastel colour, I'd have been all over this, but because it's like a brown colour, it's not really... I don't vibe well with it, like the colour, so maybe if I do like a neutral type junk journal or something, it'll come in handy for that. Right, and then we get a B6 notebook, and I can't remember if it's dot grid or not, so let's have a look. And this I love, and I'm going to show you why. Let's just see. Oh, so it's plain, and I like that it's plain, but that I think it's so cute, like the little junipers. So it is a really pretty book, and I've never used these, but I found a use for them now, so I'm enjoying them a lot more. Now this I've been excited for, so let's have a look. And it's just like, whoops, a little planner charm, and I think it's on like a wax string, is it? But that is really cute. Because, let me show you. I've not set it up yet, but I'm thinking, will you go in there? Yeah, I think it will. Because when I set up this, I'm kind of doing like holographic foil and, excuse me guys, and rainbow, so I think they will go well together. Let's close the drawer. Now the stickers, I'm always happy with the stickers. I think now this is what keeps me coming back to Simply Gilded. Like the subscription is the stickers, because I love them so freaking much. And I'm not going to pretend that I don't think Simply Gilded isn't what it was, because it's not, like, but there are things I would change, but then she's made changes that I absolutely love, and it's things like this. Like, how beautiful are they? And then we've got the little mini sheet, bow seals, which I love the bow seals. Like, I'm addicted to them. And then we have the mini kit, and I love that she's now including headers. I mean, do we get 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, so we get 8 headers, which thank you very much for that. But yeah, guys, so I'm loving that. I'm pleasantly surprised, if I'm being completely honest. And then let's do the washi. I'm not going to be swatching the washi today, just because I can't be bothered. Let's see. So I might open. Again, this bothers me so bad, guys, and I know it's just little things, but the fact that this is rose gold, this bottom washi, and this is this perforated washi? Yeah. It just bothers me, and I know it's so silly. But yeah, and then we get the, is these the perforated date? Yeah, perforated date cover washi, and that's been a bit battered, the poor thing. I forgot what this is called, but apparently this is, I'm going to open this one in a minute, because apparently it's got a texture to it, so I'm intrigued. And then this is what I love, the bow washi, and it's beautiful. But if you do want to see swatches and stuff, there are plenty of people on Instagram and stuff that are doing swatches. And if you join the Facebook group, like, I've seen all the washi swatched and it's beautiful. But I'm opening this just because apparently it's a little bit different. And yeah, it's kind of, it looks like it's got glitter in it, which is really pretty. Let's get the journal card. Oh, and she's thick. Okay, she's a little bit thicker than what I'm used to. But you know what? I like it. It's just, the colours are so saturated. That's beautiful. Right, guys, and now I'm going to show you the mystery item. So if you don't want to know, then you can leave this video now. Right, so the mystery item is a sparkle pen. Now, if you're in the Facebook group, you will see that people are constantly asking what these pens are, because they're like two-tone. Let me show you. Right, so, it's really nice, actually. Now I need to make something around that pen because it's beautiful. And I don't know how well you're going to see on camera. But it's like, it's shifting. It's like purple ink, but it's got like blue iridescent glitter in it. And it's really pretty. I really, really like that. I hope it shows up on camera. But yes, guys, so that is everything. I will either, if my happy mail comes before I put this video up, I will pop it in after this. If not, then there'll be another video. But thank you so much for watching, guys. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and it would be even better if you decided to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.